Lesson 2, radians. So converting between radians and degrees is the same as converting between degrees and radians. So you set up 180 over pi. You could also do 360 over 2 pi. I don't care. This time we know that 1 is our radian. So we put 1 on the bottom, x on the top, cross multiply, and divide, and you get x to be 57.3 degrees. For our second one, set up 180 over pi is equal to x over 0.5. Remember, your radians are on the bottom. Cross multiply and divide, you should get x to equal 28.6 degrees. So I want you to pause the video and fill in all the rest. So you should have it look like this. Radians on the bottom. Oops. Cross multiply and divide for the first 1.5. You should get x to be 85.9 degrees. Cross multiply and divide, you should get x to equal 200.5 degrees. Cross multiply and divide, you should get x to equal 343.8 degrees. And this one is double. Cross multiply and divide, so it's 687.5 degrees. So that's very simple, same way to convert. Alright, example 2, which is larger, 3 pi or 8? So to convert 3 pi, you would do 3 times pi, which is roughly 9.42. So obviously that number is bigger than 8. So 3 pi is greater than 8. To show it with degrees, you would convert 3 pi into degrees. And this one's easy. So if you have a circle, this is 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. So 180 plus 180 is 360, plus another 180 is 540 degrees. So 3 pi is 540 degrees. 450 degrees is 8. We did that last lesson, but if you thought about it, 8 minus 6.4 is 1.6. 6.4 is 360 degrees, and 1.6 is 90 degrees. 360 plus 90 is 450 degrees, which would be 1 full circle and to 90. So obviously 540 degrees is bigger than 450 degrees. When you think of circles and rotations, something that often comes to mind is clocks and time. So we can use conversions to figure out how many minutes have passed based on a rotation for the minute hand. So we know that for the minute hand to make 1 full circle, so 1 full circle, which is 360 degrees, it has to have gone 60 minutes. So we use this as our conversion factor. So 60 minutes over 360 degrees. If we're rotating 150 degrees, we would put that on the bottom. Degrees stay on the same spot. And x on the top. You would cross multiply and divide. So x would equal 25 minutes. So if we start at 1 o'clock right now, when the minute hand is rotated 150 degrees, the new time would be 1:25. And for the next one, 60 minutes is 1 circle, 2 pi is a whole circle as well. So this is our conversion factor. We're going 5 over 2 pi and x minutes. So what you're doing is you're cross multiplying and dividing. I will show you this because lots of you probably don't know how to do this on your calculator. It would be 5 over 2 pi times 60 over 2 pi The pi's would cancel. Next we would do 5 times 60, which is 300. And then we multiply our denominators when you divide. So it would be 300 over 4, which is 75 minutes. You can do this on your calculator as well. So if it's gone 75 minutes, if we subtract 60 from this, which is an hour, we'd be left with 15 minutes. So this has gone 1 hour and 15 minutes. If we started at 1 o'clock, that means the time now is 2:15.